Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can enable or disable like Spotify starting up when you like turn on your PC on Windows. So super simple. You're just going to select your profile and go to settings here. Then you are going to scroll down until you find startup and window behavior. For this one, you are going to select yes if you want it to open when you start up your computer, no if you don't want it, or minimize if you do want it to open, but it's like minimized like here. So it's going to open, but it's not going to like pop up in your screen. It's going to be like minimized. So that is basically it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. I think we have it. Okay, we don't. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.